Good evening. Hello. Welcome. It's me and me. It's Joy. Joy Ruffin coming to you from the Sunshine State, Florida. Always good to be with you, but I never know because we think global, we think big, international. Is it good morning, good afternoon, good evening, love, good day, or maybe good night to a few of you, wherever you are, coming your way, always the very, very best. Well, every week we come to you with a word of the week, a food for thought. And this week the word is anger. We're going to build everything around that word because words are important. Words help you to express who you are, what you're about, and your command of the language. It's important. You cannot deny it. Even today, with the casual going to the extreme in everything, even in language, even in our language, which is a crime, but that's another saga. But today, anger, and we always connect it and we tie it into image, fashion, style, because that's what we're about here. And bottom line is for us this week and for you, it's all about connecting anger with confidence. Because the more you're at ease and the more you feel great about what you're presenting and your projection and how you look and show up and appear, and if you're into leadership, which is what we hope you are, then you're going to be able to learn how to manage your anger because you wouldn't be human if it didn't happen from time to time. But you'll be able to step back and assess it and then operate from that knowing rather than just and everything goes out the window, which is never good. My friend, every Tuesday night, we come to you with what's called Style with Joy, Your Joy. It's how you discover your signature style and stamp. And that's every Tuesday night at 7 o'clock on my business page. In conjunction or in line with that, every Wednesday night, it's Leading Ladies, Leaving Legacies, Living Legacies, because that's how we see you. And we do not ignore or deny men. We're not sexist. But this show is pretty much geared towards women. Yet, the men who are really looking for leading ladies and women who are into their own power and sense of greatness and who they are, they show up and they tune in and they listen because they're looking for women who are confident and at ease within themselves. That's the woman that they want to marry and have kids with, unless it's not that type of man. But then that's not the type of man you're looking for. The universe is humongous. It is so huge that you want to align yourself with people who are in line with your way of thinking and doing. A little bit of an edge here and there, good. But overall, that's the end result. So take a read, as we like to say. Read the article, Dirty Little Secrets About Anger and Fashion, and enjoy it, and then leave me your comments. So look forward to reading them. In the meantime, join me tomorrow night at 7 o'clock on my Facebook business page, and then on Wednesday nights at 7 o'clock as well. I hope you're out and about and having fun, or if you're retiring for the evening, whatever it is, that you had a great holiday weekend, and here we are, back to whatever's normal. What is normal? Who knows? Anyway, enjoy. Take care of you first. Do the best that you can, because only then are you going to really be able to look after, care for others. And that's what we're all here for in one way, fashion, style, or another. Be well and take care, my friend. Until the next time. So long for now. Cheers.